All right, so we've got 3 boxes here. One of them's already been opened. This is I've never opened a baseball box of this, but when I was a kid, I opened a basketball box. So this is that exact box. I think I still have all. Yep. Oh, look at that. William Avery.
Oh.
William Avery card. And another William Avery card. Well, apparently I was stashing those for a rainy day.
And you were off such a good start. Why ruin it with anything else?
Anyway, so what we have here are 2 sealed baseball. And they're not really boxes. Well, they are boxes, but they're lunch boxes.
That's my favorite
So
kind
they're
of
not
box.
the traditional wax box. They are tin. And today, since... Oh, well, we've got an interloper here. He seems to like Chipper Jones. We were going to open Mark McGwire. But now I'm not so sure. Last time, he led us, down a good path. So I feel like maybe we should... I don't know, what do you think? McGwire or Chipper?
Let's see. Let's give him another chance.
Kitty chooses Chipper. Do you have a preference?
Choose.
Chipper! Chipper every time. Okay, it's gotta be Chipper.
I think so too.
Sorry, Mark. Alright, so we have... Now, what's going on here? Who is Larry
Jones Jr.
Who's Larry Jones Jr.?
Chipper. His dad is Larry Sr. The Mets fans used to taunt him with Larry.
I've forgotten that.
Larry.
That's great. I was like, he signs his name like Chipper Jones, but who is Larry? All right.
Sure.
This, I'm actually having a hard time opening this box. It feels so sealed. I think the fact that it's in tin and not cardboard is making this more difficult for me. But we got to do it.
You've already punched her down.
We've come too far.
Kitty smells something good.
No going back now. Yeah. According to Buster, there's something pretty good right now. There are Kirby Puckett autographs, I believe.
Really?
I could be wrong. But I think, there's Sign of the Times. Oh, man, it's like... Yeah. There are Sign of the Times autographs. I think 1 per box? No. 1 in every box and a half. 1 every 36 boxes. This is nice. It's got a handle on it. It's a nice feature. Oh, the world.
Not to open this, really cheated themselves out of a cool lunchbox. It's cool.
I know, that's the nice thing about this, is it's not just a fun, a fun hour or two. It actually has some utility, It has function.
That's the 90s for you.
Yeah, back in the 90s, that's when you got real bang for your buck. All right.
That Clinton surplus.
Yeah.
We were riding high.
Here we go. It's been sealed for nearly 20 years. Let's see how this lunch is fared. Okay. Oh, looks like the packs have shifted a little bit. Oh, these are nice. These are nice packs. Like the design. Ken Griffey on the front. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what kind of odds we're working with here. This pack contains a random assortment of retro cards. So we've got 1990s time capsule. We'll be seeing one of those every 2 packs. Groovy kind of glove. I like the sound of that. I can't picture what that's going to look like, but we'll get a couple of those.
Hopefully psychedelic.
Yeah, 3 or 4 of those. Sign of the Times autograph cards, 1 in 36. I believe, like I said, Kirby Puckett is included in that. 30 New Frontier limited edition, sequentially numbered to 1,000. 30 The Big Boppers limited editions, sequentially numbered to 500. 30 Quantum Leap limited edition, sequentially numbered to 50.
The 90s. Quantum Leap.
Those Quantum Leaps are the ones you want to look for. In fact, someone else broke one of these boxes recently and got 2 Ken Griffey Jr.'s. Mind you, there's only 50 of each card. and she had 2 of them that were stuck together in the pack. So really, there were only 40. They were only inserted into 49 individual boxes. Someone was lucky enough to get 2. All right, first pack. Here we go. I see Kirby Puckett on the back.
I like it.
And there's Mark McGuire.
Evil.
Rolando. Futurama.
Mm-mm.
Now this was right before Futurama came out.
It
4
was.
years ago.
Is that Mondi?
This is Mondi, and he's looking groovy.
Yeah.
I like the colors on this.
Now he's in jail.
Yeah, he was looking a lot better here than Kirby Puckett.
Stealing from the Dominican Republic. All good baseball players give back to the Dominican Republic. He was literally penciling money from the Dominican. Poor country. Fuck you.
Yeah, he's a real dirtbag.
Demon. Oh, Vladdy. Was he
Vladdy.
a rookie that year?
Should have been a first balloter. Willie McCovey. Now this is cool. They've got the retro players in with the modern ones.
Nice.
Oh, we've got a new Frontier card.
Andrew.
Number Russell Branyan.
He had some good years in the league.
Number 2,000. There we go. New Frontier.
Matt Williams.
And an Andrew Jones time capsule. I like that you get multiple inserts in the same pack. You don't see that much. In a lot of sets, from the 90s, it was like one insert or bust.
Nice.
So put our inserts over here. So far, so fun. Is Futurama an insert? No. It's part of the base set.
Kind of glove. I like me a good pun.
I think it's more just alliteration. Unless you think you talk about the grooves in the glove. Like it's a thing with grooves. Gary Sheffield time capsule. A Futurama of Jarrett Wright.
Jarrett Wright. What a disappointment he was. Maybe not. Maybe he wasn't even supposed to be good.
And your favorite player, Jose Cruz Jr.
Oh, God. He was always such trash. He lasted far longer in the league than he deserved to. It always baffled me that he was still getting the job. Jose
is a Blue Jay.
I think that was when he took a baseball off the head. Went for a home run. You remember that where it hits him in the head and bounces over the wall?
Oh, look at that. Autograph. Gary Matthews Jr.
No way.
Yeah.
Nice.
So the autographs look just like their normal cards. So already we've beaten the odds, by the way.
Yeah.
It's one in every box and a half. Sign of the times. Gary Matthews Jr. It was sent to Upper Deck directly from Gary Matthews Jr.
Nice.
But can we really know that he actually signed it?
Yeah. He signed it from his house.
If it wasn't witnessed by an Upper Deck representative.
Mm.
Oh, and look, we got Gary Matthews Sr. right here.
What are the odds?
You get a little taste of both.
Senior was a manager for a little while.
Nice man, Griffey Jr. Alright, Barsha, you want to facts here?
Yes. Give me that, give me that. Another Mondesi, Jason Kendall.
Two Futuramas in one pack.
Jim Parquet. Interesting. And Gary Matthews Jr. Darren Erstad. And Brad Fulmer. We can get better.
Let's see a quantum leap, huh, Barsha?
Hell yeah.
Way too much to ask for.
No, it is not. I don't think it is. Yeah. Damn it. Why does this always happen to me?
Don't panic. Take your time. There you go.
Griffey Sr. No, ma. These are thick. I keep thinking there's something stuck to the back. And
Yeah, back then, you know, cards were quality.
Halton. Matt Clement. Tino and Jeff Bagwell. Uno mas.
Do it.
Feels good when it actually happens. A-Rod. Before he was disgraced. Sean Casey. Justin Bauman. Brett Tomko. I hated him. Gary Sheffield. He was a Major League Tool. And Ray Langford. Alright, well, I stunk it up.
Alright. I mean, that Gary Matthews Jr. is probably going to be the highlight.
No one's ever said that before. That's Gary Matthews Jr. He's the one.
Frank Thomas, on the other hand.
Marcus Kell.
White. And Griffey, Trauma, Time Capsule of Bell.
That's an awesome Jim Edmonds card.
Yeah. It kind of looks like Mickey Mantle. He's poised.
He was good.
And you see Barshop how I just go like this and it opens that up there and then I just kind of...
It's like the goldfish box.
Carton of milk. Canerco. Karos. I was a big Karos fan growing up. Travis Lee. Milton, Yogi. Oh, that's a nice shot too.
Essentially, there's a Paul Canerco Reds card. He only played there for like 30 games. He immediately went to the White Sox after the Dodgers traded him. The Kingfish. He was one of my favorite players.
Jose Canseco.
I kind of like Jose Canseco.
Yeah, he's hard not. How do you not like a guy who cuts off his own thumb? He shoots it off or whatever dumbass thing he did there.
What did he do?
Didn't he shoot off his own thumb?
That sounds
Can you
right.
look that up? Wow, Frank Thomas. Not looking good here.
Who is that?
It's White Sox legend Frank Thomas. He must have played for the Pirates briefly, and also aged 50 years in the process. This is the original Frank Thomas, I guess.
I didn't know there was an original.
I had no idea either. He was clearly eclipsed by the newer Frank Thomas. It's kind of sad when you search Frank Thomas baseball player and there aren't any articles about you, just this other baseball player named Frank Thomas. Your whole career, you know, relegated to like the 1,000th page of the Google search listings.
I'm sure there's a lot of dudes out there named like David Ortiz.
Barry Bonds. And a Kenny Lofton time capsule.
Luke Brock, nice.
Nice. Albert Bell.
Love Albert Bell.
Bob Gibson. Oh, we got our second groovy glove.
Ho.
Barry Bonds.
Ugh.
And a Matt Williams time capsule sim pack. Unbelievable.
What a good pack.
Yeah, not bad lunchbox so far.
If you had an autograph smelling cap. Randy Johnson and the Astros, see? It's like such a strange time.
Yeah, I think he sniffed out that Gary Matthews Jr. card.
Mm-hmm. You can smell ink.
Yeah. And mediocrity.
I wouldn't even give him that in China. He was crap.
Kenny Lofton. Randy Johnson time capsule, this time in his proper Seattle Mariners jersey.
Mm-hmm.
Not in this Astros business.
It's weird that they would have two in the same pack that are different like that. In fact, I don't even know if I've seen that before. Ugh.
Pizza Man. You hate a lot of baseball players. It's hard to keep track of all the baseball players you hate.
Not Juan Gonzalez. That dude had a great mustache.
I love Juan Gonzalez. He had a good career too.
Yeah, he did.
Paul O'Neill.
O'Neill.
My favorite. Big Boppers. Jose Canseco, numbered to 500. And look, it's got that nice red serial number. I love it.
You have gotten a lot of Jose Canseco's.
This is a Jose Canseco hot box.